Hi.
Your name.
I'm Mark.
You guys maybe guessed that Mark is here. Today's video will be English. But before that, I will speak a little bit of Korean. 안녕하세요 여러분, 캠핑가자 이루씨입니다. 마크 여기 있고요.
안녕하세요.
오늘 영상 같은 경우에는 영문으로 조금 많이 설명을 할 거예요. 그 이유는 이제 해외에 계신 구독자분들에게 조금 이것저것 해볼 예정이어가지고요. 자막을 넣어 놓을 거니까요. 자막 따라서 한번 봐주시면 될 것 같습니다. 그러면 다시 영어로. We're back. Some people ask that we're still traveling. Yes, we are still traveling. Currently, we are in the Eastern Europe, and we are staying in Airbnb.
Yeah. With the shower and everything.
Yeah, the reason why we are staying here is we are so far behind
Yeah, super far behind.
of our videos.
Yeah, we're gonna be here for a little while. We're working every day, non-stop. But the real reason why we're making this video now is because we have a little problem that we've been struggling with for the past, forever, I guess, right?
Like every time when we are creating videos, it's like before we talk about the problems, we are gonna explain what was the background. First, we really want to be more accessible to our international viewers. As you guys know that I speak Korean most of the times in our videos. And we read a comment that sometimes it's kind of hard to catch up with the subtitle and the scenery.
Another thing that we have been thinking about is trying to improve the overall quality of our videos. Instead of just doing a regular vlog that you can normally see on YouTube, we want to make something more story-based, something that is just more interesting overall to follow along. We've been thinking about how we can do this. When you're filming a vlog, there are always so many holes because we're not holding a camera to our face 24 hours a day. And to fill those gaps, using narration can make the story much more interesting and help you to follow along better. That's where we have this kind of problem.
Yeah.
Our video language is in Korean. So do we choose Korean to do the narrations?
Or do English? I mean, narration is in Korean, so it would be subtitle again, so it really doesn't match with first purpose I just explained.
Yeah, trying to be more accessible to our international audience, it makes it more difficult.
And then if we choose English, it would be kind of difficult to Korean viewers that they have to read the subtitles.
And most of our loyal fans are
from Korea,
so
and I feel more comfortable to speak Korean too.
Yeah, so after talking about it and thinking about it, we came up with kind of a plan and more of an experiment. This is what we're thinking about doing for the next few videos.
I'm excited, I'm nervous too.
We're going to make two variations of the same video.
So basically, videos are same, but narration will be only Korean or narration only English, so that people doesn't need to read subtitle all the time.
Right. It can be really confusing if we upload both those videos on the same channel. So we thought what we'll have to do is create another channel to upload those kind of experimental English versions of our video. We don't even know if we're going to continue doing this. Whether we continue doing this or not is up to you guys. We really need your feedback. We need to know what you think about just the overall new style of the videos.
Maybe there's a little bit of subtitles, but it will not be 90 or 100% of subtitle.
Right.
You have
so
to
hopefully that will make it much easier for you to follow along.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a really good solution for us too, because making it in two formats, editing wise is not so hard for us. We just have to record the voiceovers in two languages. The video is the same. We just have to plug in the voiceovers, and eventually the time we'll save from not doing subtitles it might actually even be faster to make this two videos rather than one video with subtitles.
Yeah, it's you guys said that sometimes the whole videos is Korean subtitle, whole videos English subtitle.
And it takes hours. Another thing that this could really help out in is that we've been wanting to do more live content, and that's a big dilemma as well. Usually we do all of our live content mainly in Korean. We can do live content, live streaming on English as well.
Yeah, and then it's hard to switch language when you're speaking like Korean and then all of a sudden changing English like, my brain like it freezes like a buffering, it's like loading, like logos on my head. It's not easy.
Make the loading face again.
No.
Before we started this trip, we were uploading twice a week. If you're like an old viewer.
Wednesday, Saturday, we post the videos.
Every Wednesday and Saturday, we're back to every Wednesday and Saturday again. So the first test videos will be uploaded this Saturday. I think probably the Korean version will be uploaded first, and then the English version will be uploaded after that. We will link the other channel at the end of this video, or you can go down to the description, scroll down, and in the description there will also be a link for that other channel.
After that, like we are gonna like post another community voting things too, possible.
Yeah.
So like like if you don't have any time to leave a comment or give us feedback, you guys just need to vote it in there. Or if after you read it and you just wanna like really deep down talk with us, you can send us a tweet too.
Yeah, we're probably gonna bug you guys a lot over the next week or two.
Yeah.
I hope you don't mind.
I hope so too.
The link for the new channel will be right here. So if you click over here, that will take you to the new channel.
We gotta go back to work because we need to edit some videos.
Yeah.
And this one need to be edited too because this video will be a few hours later. Bye guys, and give
Bye.
us feedback. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
thanks.